Okay, I've experienced an onslaught of bird droppings down the side of my van. Now I know why. This little blue bird thinks my van is the place to be. I guess it sees itself in the mirror. Maybe I should put a mirror out in the woods and it'll go there. Interesting. Poor little thing. Are you missing your boyfriend, darling? My van is not your boyfriend. I'll tear the mirror up. I think she's trying to get behind it. Okay, that's enough. Go away. Go away. Fly, birdie. Go on, birdie. Say, nope, I don't think so. Bird, go on. Go on, bird. Oh, please. Isn't that funny? Alright, crazy bird. Gonna wear himself out. I guess I'm gonna have to get a bird feeder and a birdhouse for the side of my van. Lord.